How to enable or disable eye protection on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and launch the settings application on your device and tap on the screen time option. Further, go ahead and tap on the screen distance option you see there under limit uses tab. Now, in the interface that you will be led to, go ahead and toggle on the toggle button for screen distance if you want to enable eye protection, and go ahead and toggle off the toggle button for screen distance if you don't want the eye protection on your iPhone. So, this was about how you can enable or disable eye protection on iPhone. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.